Hey guys, Tim here. Still looking for some tips here. Got home from being away for 3 or 4 days. Parked the BMW X3 in my garage and came home and was gonna back it out of the garage and just want to show you guys what's happening here. So put the key in, put the foot on the brake. The brake is much harder than usual. It's it goes down a tiny bit, but it's really stiff. It's stiffer than usual. And then listen close, this is what happens. It's really trying. Notice how the lights are on in the car, like the battery seems to be fine, but it's she's trying, just not making it over the hump there when it's starting. So any tips would be welcome. I did, full disclosure, did just try to jump it, just in case it was the battery, try to help it get over the hump. Made no difference whatsoever with either of my jumping apparatus. So any mechanics out there, would love some tips. Thanks.